I'm Christian. I'm part of the UPBracing team. We are from the University of Paderborn and we are part of the Formula student competition. And we use quite a lot of different additive manufacturing processes. One of them is the SLM process. We use them on the suspension points, so a lot of attachments from the suspension system are 3D printed using the SLM process. These are aluminium parts, but also our wheel structure is held by an SLM printed part. So yeah, this is one of our most used processes to accommodate for the high loads of the car. We also use the SLS process. This is our accumulator inlet. So our accumulator is air-cooled, and this is quite a complex structure to print on other processes. That's why we use the SLS process. So kind of custom solutions is printing it for us. Yeah. So this is used for fine structures in the wings, and yeah, that's why we use it. Another process we use is the FDM process. It isn't just used for prototypes for the car components, but it's also used for our carbon fiber molds. So this is a mold for one of our wings on the car, and we print it directly on our printers in in Paderborn, and we put a filler on it, and we can lay down some carbon fibers later. Yeah, that's why we use it. We can print it fast overnight at our workshop and lay it at the next day already and put it on the car later. Yeah, that's why we use it here.